medore kaluwore kod medruok mar kwan ji. Kata kamano ng'eny weg udi ok luw chik kendo midhiero e sekta mar gedo ikelo kod josiasa donje weche mag gedo, weg udi ma ok luw chik kod rem nono udi ma igero.
I think control is missing in how we are doing developments in Ramogi County. We have a lot of projects that are coming up across this county, but they do not comply. They do not comply with the planning regulations, and that is our major concern. We have projects being built without the requisite professionals. That is the registered consultants, architects, engineers, what is surveyors, as required under law. We are seeing projects being constructed without approvals. Over the past 2 months or so, we've seen an alarming rise in resident associations coming up in arms against irregular developments, which apparently have been licensed for approval under the county.